So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can hide your friends on Facebook. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now here, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now from the menu that opens up, tap on settings. In the settings and privacy, scroll down to the audience and visibility section. Now here you will see various options. Here tap on how people can find and contact you. Now under your friends section, here tap on who can see your friends list. Now here you will see various options like public, friends, specific friends, only me, close friends. To hide your friends on Facebook, select only me and now tap on save. Now once you do this, this will hide your friend list. So this is how you can hide your friends on Facebook. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.